Hello and welcome to Learn Statistics class. In this class we are going to learn the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. Topic of today's lecture is correlation. In this topic we will discuss scatter diagram. It is the simplest method of studying the nature of correlation between the two variables. Scatter diagram is a diagrammatic representation of bivariate data. To draw a scatter diagram, consider two coordinate axes, one for the variable x and other for variable y. Each pair xi yi for I is 1 to n of values of variable x and y is plotted as a point on graph paper. The whole set of points taken together is called as a scatter diagram. It shows how far the points are distributed or scattered. It is also known as a dot diagram for a bivariate data. Scatter diagram gives us a pictorial visual idea whether the variables are correlated or not. The way in which the points are scattered indicate the general tendency of points and so the tendency of two variables. Therefore, scatter diagram gives a fairly good idea about the direction of relation between the path of points and degree of correlation through the closeness of points to some line. It is the simplest pictorial method to understand the relation between two variables x and y. Some typical examples of scatter diagram are as given below. Suppose we take one variable x along the x-axis and the other variable y along the y-axis and plot the points on a graph paper as x comma y. Suppose the points are like this. Let me plot. Suppose we obtained a spreadness of the points like this. Then we observe that the points are closer to each other and they show a tendency of increasing. Means as one variable increases, the other is also increases. Then we conclude that this is a high degree of positive correlation. It shows high degree of positive correlation between the two variables x and y. Now we shall take another example. If you plot the points x and y on the graph paper and the nature of points is like this. Then we say that the correlation is positive but the tendency is low, means it shows a low degree of positive correlation. Now we shall consider the next example. Suppose the pattern of points is like this. Means as one variable increases, the other variable decreases. Means it shows a negative correlation of high degree. So it is a high degree of negative correlation. Similarly, low degree of negative correlation can be observed as point shows negative correlation but they scattered away from each other. It shows a low degree of negative correlation. Suppose we get a points exactly on a straight line. Then it shows a perfect positive correlation. If we obtain the trend of line on a straight line which is in increasing nature, then it shows a perfect positive correlation. Similarly, if we get a points on a decline line, then it is a perfect negative correlation. Further, sometimes we observe the scatterness of points like this, means from the scatterness of points we cannot determine any pattern. Then we say that there is no correlation between the two variables x and y. No correlation or zero correlation. It is known as zero correlation. Here x and y are independent and they are uncorrelated with each other. In this way, in this lecture, we learn what is scatter diagram and the diagrammatical representation of some examples of x and y, and we study from the nature of spreadness of the points on a graph paper, what it shows, which type of correlation exists in such cases. In Learn Statistics channel, many more concepts are discussed from the statistics subject. If student want to learn all that topic, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of all the playlists are given in the description box. We will meet in the next lecture with the next topic from the topic correlation. Till then, we will stop here. Thank you.